Pune, you are on 30. Still, you have 6 more questions. All you can answer by raising hand, writing it down. You can get all 60 points. Bodda is at 50. Balkini and Amauli are at 60 each, and Agonda is now leading by 70 points. Quite a competition. At point Amauli is leading, some point Agonda is leading. I don't know who will be leading after this round. So you need to be focused. 6 questions to decide who gets the prizes of 10,000, 7,500 and 5,000.
LIC.
G20 round. G20 round. Vadinagar, since sorry, Mudra was answered by you. So the next question will go for team from Amauli. All the other teams, if you know the answer, you know the drill. Raise your hand, write down the answer. Don't wait for me to come. G20, first question of the G20 round. Okay. Which country hosted the first ever G20 summit? First ever G20 summit. Which country? In which language? Hindi. कौन से देश ने पहली बार G20 समिट होस्ट की? Which country? Name of the country.
USA.
USA, United States of America is the correct answer. All the teams get plus 1. United States of America, 14th and 15th November 2008 at Washington DC. Next question will go to team from Agonda. All the other teams, if you know the answer, raise your hand, tell me you know it and write it down. Y20 is an engagement group of G20. What does Y20 stand for? What is Y in Y20? What is Y? Y20 is a subgroup within G20 nation. Y stands for a particular word. So what word that starts with Y is taken in Y20? No team is going for it. Okay.
Youth 20.
Youth 20. Youth is the correct answer. Plus 10 to team from Agonda. Youth was the correct answer. GHS Pune, it is your direct question. Okay. Dash finance is a broad term used by G20. It refers to projects that benefit the environment and society by reducing pollution or tackling climate change. Now, if you have a project that if you want to build something that will benefit the environment and society, it will reduce pollution, it will tackle climate change, then you receive some funds. Okay, that term is called dash finance. I want to know what is this dash? What is the blank? Fill in the blank. What is that one word? What finance? Okay, you have already written it. It is your direct question. So all the other teams, I'll give you a hint. It is a color. It is also a color. That term is also a color, name of a color. If you know, write it down. Is a term dash finance, any project that benefits environment and society by reducing population. Vodda, you want to write down? No. Amauli want to write down? Vodda wants to write down. Okay. Amauli wants to write down? No. Agonda wants to write down? Okay. Vadinagar, you are writing? No. Writing? 1, 2, you have not written. Agonda is written. Pune, your answer?
Green finance.
Green finance is the correct answer. Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank is a public sector bank in India that provides loans at low rates to microfinance institutions and non-banking financial institutions, which then provide credit to MSMEs. We all know what MSMEs are: micro, small, medium enterprises. I want to know, what is this bank popularly known as? Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency Bank. There is a popular term that is used for this bank, like how we have SBI for State Bank of India. What is the term for this bank? Anybody wants to answer? Okay. So you know what is RBI? It is Reserve Bank of India. So if I ask Reserve Bank of India is popularly known by which other name? You can say RBI. So similarly, I want to know Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank is known by which other popular name? Anybody wants to try and answer? You can raise your hand and write it down. Nobody wants to try? Nobody wants? You can write it. You have to give it to me and write it. Cannot speak. Okay, no team is trying. The question was for Vadinagar. Vadinagar, what is your answer? Pass. Marking pass. What? Now you can tell me what you wanted to say.
Mudra.
It is Mudra. M-U-D-R-A. Mudra is the correct answer.